Welcome to Thursday's Thought for the Day. If you haven't already read today's Bible passages, you may like to at least read Judges 4, 1-24 now. Poor old Gideon. He's scared out of his wits. How on earth can you thresh grain in a winepress area where there's no wind? That's how desperate he is to keep in hiding. He has to take extraordinary measures to keep safe. But he can't hide from God or his angel, who ironically calls him a mighty warrior. Who? Surely not Gideon. Gideon is skeptical and speaks his mind. If, as you say, the Lord is with us, he says, then why has this disaster happened to us? A not unreasonable question in the circumstances. He goes on, all these great stories of our past deliverance just don't cut the mustard with me these days, I'm afraid. But God doesn't give up. He simply adds to the message with a personal call for Gideon's involvement, for him to make the difference. I hereby commission you, says God. He doesn't even ask or suggest that he thinks about it. He just calls and commissions him. It seems a bit unfair. But let's face it, if Gideon was left to make up his own mind on this, he'd still be there today. Sometimes God takes us and somehow gets us into the deep end and uses us despite ourselves, but always for our or someone's blessing and welfare. If you turn to Jesus' comments in Luke 14, well, here's someone who'd much rather be in the lowest place, catapulted into a position of leadership where he can be really useful. A prayer. Father, I'd much rather hide away. Help me to be useful to you in your kingdom, whatever the cost. Amen. When I am afraid, I will trust in you.